So other than the kitchen being a bit of a mess, I was just about to open this box in its entirety, but I figured I'd stop myself and actually send you a video. So first thing out of it came a card which says, "These products were lovingly made by artisans from the Athens area. The community is here to give them a place to sell their wares and help develop their brand. By supporting local and sustainable businesses like ours, you help support this vibrant, creative city that we love so much, and at the same time, limit your environmental footprint. Enjoy these gifts and come visit soon." So, box. There's a little bit in here to process. Let's see. Of course, something that's always appreciated. Something for the tea, which in this case is going to be a mug. It says Athens, Georgia. Bob. Goes over there. And we have our Wake and Bake coffee from Jittery Joe's. Of course, one of the better places. I still have the stickers on one of my laptops. Laptop's been retired, but it's still around somewhere with the other two. And of course, why have one mug when you can have two mugs? This one... Oh, okay, this one's actually a lot more stylized. Nice. There's a thing inside of it. Natty Michelle? Huh. But anyway, yeah, so some of the stylizations of this mug. Get my fingers out of the way. Big old fat fingers. It's right here with the other one. This is a bath bomb because of, the bath that I never use. It doesn't fit me. But Sarah will definitely use this. It is a honeysuckle and ginger with shea butter, which I love shea butter. Literally everything. Yes! Serenity teas. Green tea, chamomile, lavender, and rose petal. I will be drinking the rose petal, of course, because if it's the most feminine thing you can find, I absolutely adore it. And then, of course, some Condor chocolates. It is milk chocolate, and it comes from Ecuador. Oop. Probably should have displayed everything after I took it out of the package, but hey, meh. Let's see. I think that may be it. Well, that was delightful. Thank you very much for sending that to me, and enjoy quarantine. Trying as best we can, right? And I will see you later. Thank you.